Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Honeywell smart home security base station and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons really. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with the security system not connecting to Wi-Fi, or if it's not pairing or syncing with your devices, or if it's otherwise seems to be not working, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now the second reason, and you're going to have to do this either way, that you might want to do this is if you're just trying to set this up like in a new home or whatever, or just for whatever reason you have where you want to get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box new, we can go ahead and do this quite simply. So if you want to go ahead and do that, we're going to do this. We're going to come in and we're going to find the action button in the middle of the device, and you just press and hold the action button for 30 seconds. After that, you can let go, count 30 seconds and let go, and then if you just wait, it will prompt you to press the action button again. So once you do that, you will just press the action button one more time, and the device will reset to its factory default settings, and you can go ahead and set it up as a new device.